Hey John, what's today's date?
Today is December 19th, and as you can see, global warming is overtaking us. Oh yes, Al Gore was so right. We really need to cut back on that CO2 because you can see what effect it's having. It's just making things so hot, I swear. I haven't seen this much heat since I don't know when. It's pretty impressive.
This is our first big real snowstorm since we moved.
You know what, I'm half tempted to start my car and just run it just to help global warming so that way we can end this snow, but you know.
It's been snowing for... How long do you say it's been snowing? Like...
Snowing since 8 o'clock last night.
And it's what, like noon? Is it noon?
What?
Is it noon?
12:23.
And as you can see, it's still snowing. Our car looks like a Mini Cooper.
Huh?
I said our car looks like a Mini Cooper.
No, it looks like a minivan.
Oh yeah, actually it does. That's the Mazda
Look,
underneath all that
I
snow.
put the wipers up and look, they're barely sticking out.
Good thing you stuck them out though.
Well, everyone did.
Not everyone.
She did.
Yeah, but not everyone.
Want to take a picture of the front door?
If you hear that dog barking, that's Velvet. She's outside playing.
Yeah.
There's our tree. I hope it survives.
It'll be fun.
I hope our little azalea bush survives because it's entrenched. Anyways, if I had another shovel, I'd help, but I don't. Let's go to the backyard. There's Velvet going out and play in the snow. Look at our backyard. It's covered. Come on, go out there. Go out there, Val. Come on. Go on out. You hear those kids? They're playing. Go over there. Look, they're right outside. They're right outside our fence, Val. Go get them. Go get them. Come on. Velvet, don't go inside. There's so much snow that we can't even get, whoops, that we can't even get out on our, sorry about that, hard to operate with gloves on. But like I was saying, it snowed so much we can't even get out to the porch so that we can watch the kids outside sledding on the hill over here. So what do you think, Velvet? What do you think about all this? Go and see Daddy. It's our snow doggy. Oh, I just saw you licking the snow.